Oh my god, that city looks so amazing. Всем привет. Рекомендовали меня это видео. Природа в России. But I didn't know which video that they wanted me to watch. They just said nature in Russia, so oh wow, look at that bird. Whoa, what was that? What was that bird? Bro, Moscow Red Square is like the most iconic thing. One of the most iconic things in like the world, like hands down. I wanted to say Eastern Europe, but I was like, nah, like the world. The bear, the national animal. What is this town? This looks very intriguing. Wait, you have camels? What? I thought camels was only camels in winter biomes. What is that? Yo, I did not know that Russia had... Look, I know Russia is the largest country in the world. I know that I think about it. Oh my, whoa, that looks like Lord of the Rings. That looks straight from Lord of the Rings. Wow. Straight from a movie, man. Sometimes I just really forget how much Russia has to offer, despite the fact that I know it's the largest country in the world. And this is what I mean when I say like I have so much to learn about Russia. There's just so much. Look at all this stuff. Even though I have done so much videos on Russia, even before I was doing videos on Russia, and I was still looking into Russia because of course I'm Russia's #1 fanboy. I mean, I'm like watching this and I'm seeing things that I've never even seen before. That river, the color of that river looks unreal. So peaceful. It just looks so peaceful, away from the bullshit of life. My god, looks like such a amazing peaceful getaway where you could just go, flee to, and just forget about everything. I've seen people done that. They just go in a place like this and just completely just go off the radar. No one knows where the hell they went, and they're just, you know, they're just there by themselves, enjoying themselves in this peaceful ass place. I've never seen that animal before. Bro, how How many animals does Russia have that I've never seen before? I really wonder. I've never seen this city before either, nor have I never heard of this. Looks nice. Looks like a nice city. My God, look at that stone mushroom. Wow. Look at, I've never seen that either. What type of snake is that? That looks like a, no, it's not a cottonmouth. Nah. It looks like it, but it's not. I've never heard of this city either. I've never seen this city. And oh my God, that city looks so amazing. Look at the vibrantness. Oh my God. Baikal Lake. This obviously I've heard of this. I mean, who hasn't heard of Lake Baikal that knows a bit of information about Russia? You know what's so crazy about this? I literally saw a video that was going viral on American news of a kid. Not even a kid, he was 18, so he's an adult. A dude was kicking one of these animals, an elephant seal. He was hitting it and kicking it, and the poor thing was trying to run away from him. And he was joking and laughing. Well, he got arrested. He only got 1 year in jail. I had to pay 100,000 American dollars, which is like, I think he should have gotten way more time in jail, but whatever. Why does that rock have so much aura to it? Magnificent. Yo, Russia just has so much magnificent places. How can he hate this place? I really don't understand all these like stupid I got a question for all you like anti-Russian people who are like watching this, because I know you people watch my videos. Like what is there to hate about Russia? Oh, because I was raised to hate Russia. Oh, I was brainwashed to hate Russia because I just simply grew up in an environment that made me hate Russia. Irkutsk, yeah, I've heard of Irkutsk actually. This is in one of my books that I used to learn Russian. They mentioned this city, but I never knew what it looked like. I just simply heard of this city. Whoa, what is this? Just a place for a whole bunch of seals? I never heard of this place either, nor this volcano. So much unknowns, bro. Oh my God. And it's amazing. Why does Russia have so much elephant seals? Jesus Christ. What's with all the elephant seals in Russia? I really do love the fact that Russia actually has like its nature. Most of the nature in the world is gone. Literally gone. Only like Russia, Brazil, Canada, and many parts of Africa has like just pure nature, not much human shit that messes with it. It's just still like purely like nature. Vladivostok. Oh my god, Vladivostok. This city I want to go to. I want to go to Vladivostok more than I want to go to Moscow and St. Petersburg. But oh my god, I really want to go to Vladivostok so bad. I mentioned it before, but I never really mentioned like how badly I want to go to Vladivostok.
Have you ever wanted to see?
What is this place? Ooh, whales! Oh my god! Whales! I'm not going near the Caucasus. No. Caucasus looks amazing, but the Caucasus, like big, no. You would never see me in the fucking Caucasus. Yo, I watched a video from like Ellie from Russia, and I watched that one video where she went to Chechnya. Oh look, speaking of the devil, they're showing Grozny. Oh my goodness. Yo, go show that to all the people who love to like put the picture of Grozny during the Chechen war. And they always unironically do this shit. Put a picture from like decades ago in the middle of a fucking war zone at the time. And they're like, oh my god, look at how bad Russia is. Look at what Russia did to Grozny. Every time I see that shit, I'm always like, okay, go show me what Grozny looks like right now. It's absurd. Like, I swear, these like anti-Russian people, something is just like, I don't know, bro. Something's just not right. Something's just really not right with these people, bro. Republic of Dagestan. Oh yeah, yes, 2 years in Dagestan, guys. All the 2 years in Dagestan memes. But those Caucasus mountains are amazing, though. I'm not gonna lie. Those Caucasus mountains. It looks amazing. I wonder how the Germans were planning to fight through all this. It's funny because the Germans, they needed to reach Baku to get to the oil fields. If not, they would have, and they did lose the war. And I was like, I always wondered to myself, how were the Germans planning to fight through all of those harsh terrain mountains? This place, guys, this is not even like, you know, I always hear people say, oh, go show the real Russia, oh, go show places that aren't Moscow and St. Petersburg. This is so much places that aren't Moscow and St. Petersburg, and it all looks amazing. We got Kaliningrad here. Kaliningrad, I'm not gonna lie, Kaliningrad looks nice, but when it used to be Germany, it was a lot better. I'm not gonna lie. I will say that. What is that place? Siberia is a lot gorgeous than I realized. I always thought Siberia is a freaking winter wasteland. But I really do forget, like, Russia is multi-biome. Like, not everywhere is like a winter hellhole. There are places like this that is very luscious in nature. Sevastopol. Currently, admit. Oh my God. Currently administered by Russia. I had to put that caveat. You don't wanna stir up all the Ukrainians. Oh, Sevastopol. Ancient Genoese fortress, Crimea. Wow. Apparently Crimea is like under siege according to Western propaganda. Actually, you know, Crimea is like, I'm not even like bullshitting you guys. Like, this is what the news has been literally saying. Oh, Crimea is so close to Russia is gonna have to abandon Crimea at any moment because the Ukrainian drones, it has the place completely stranded and Russia can't bring supplies into Crimea. The situation is so dire in Crimea. Oh, Russia cannot handle it. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I see this shit on my news like all the time. So we got CO. Is it like Russia and Japan have like a dispute going on over like a piece of territory or something like that right now? So much elephant seals. My God. Just so peaceful. That's all I could say. Karelia. Ooh, Karelia. I never thought about that place. Karelia. So this is where this is located. I always wondered, where is, because I've seen this building before. I'm like, where is this located at? And of course, St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg, of course, yes. I don't know what this place is. Looks amazing though, nonetheless. Never seen that before. I've never seen that part of Moscow before. Moscow State University. I swear, I love that clock tower. I love that clock tower. There's a reason why I have a portrait of it literally in my background right now. You know, I was supposed to get this portrait here. Wait, I pull like here of this angle, but I just never got it. Yes, the Stalinist high rise. Oh, the Soviet symbol still there. Interesting. That's interesting. Despite the fact the USSR doesn't exist anymore. Russia, absolute heaven on earth. That was nice. That was honestly a very nice video. You know, the videos that I have been doing recently, oh my God, it's been lots of controversial issues. So this is like a chill a chill video, honestly. Like, but like I said, you got more videos on Russia, go suggest it to me in my comments, because I'm Russia's #1 fanboy, and a lot of people don't already like that, but whatever. And that's why you should subscribe too, because I plan to do a lot of videos on Russia. Trust me, it's not gonna stop. I have a lot to say, and like I said, I dropped a wonderful video like a month ago, 3 weeks ago, on how I teach myself Russian. So yeah, go check out my other videos in Russia. It should be like on your end screen, like right now. It's 12 a.m. That's why I kind of feel like dull, tired. I'm tired. I'm kind of tired. But what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, like the video as well. Oh, and I should have said this like earlier, but these like anti-Russian bots, bro, that be trying to like pretend to be Russian, bro, like get out of my comments, bro. Oh my god, like I know why you're in. I know why you're there. Like, I'm not dumb. I'm aware. These Ukrainians who like to pretend to be Russians in my comments. Oh my god. Whatever. До свидания.